Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AWS SES for email sending with WordPress step by step clearly. To authorize AWS simple email service for sending emails with WordPress, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the SES Simple Email Service dashboard. Choose the region where you want to send emails. Select Domains from the left menu. Click on Verify a new domain. Enter the domain name you wish to authorize for sending emails. Check the box that says Generate DKIM settings for improved email deliverability. Click Verify this domain. AWS will now provide you with a set of DNS records. Open a new tab and log into your domain registrar's website. Locate the DNS Management or Settings section. Add the provided TXT record to verify your domain. If you enabled DKIM, also add the name records AWS provided. Save the changes and return to the AWS SES dashboard. You will receive a confirmation email once the verification process is complete. Once verified, navigate back to the SES dashboard. Select email addresses from the left menu. Click on Verify a new email address if you plan to send from a specific email. Enter the email address you want to verify and click Verify this email address. Check your inbox for a verification link. Next, log into your WordPress admin panel. Go to the Plugins section and install a reliable SMTP plugin, such as WP Mail SMTP. Activate the plugin once installed. Go to the Plugins Settings page. Select Amazon SES as your mailer option. Fill in your AWS access key and secret key. Enter the region where your SES is enabled. Provide the from email address you verified in SES. Configure other settings as needed and save your changes. Now, navigate to the testing section of the SMTP plugin. Send a test email to ensure everything is working correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.